वेलकम फ्रेंड्स। आज हम कॉम्बिनेशन प्लस में +6 करना सीखते हैं। उससे रिगार्डिंग कुछ सम्स को सॉल्व करते हैं। फर्स्ट सम है हमारे पास 3, देन 5, देन 6। नाउ आंसर विल बी 14. Reset the beats. Next sum 5, then 1, again 6. Now answer will be 12. Reset the beats. Next sum is 7, then 6, then 5. Now answer will be 18. Reset the beats. Next sum 4, -1, then 5, then 6. Now answer will be 14. Reset the beats. Next sum is 8, then 6, then 5. Now answer will be 19. Reset the beats. Next sum is 6, again 6, then again 6. Now answer will be 18. Reset the beats. Next sum is 2, then 5, then 6. Now answer will be 13. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे. Reset the beats. Next sum 7, -2, then 6. Now answer will be 11. Reset the beats. Next sum 3, then 5, then 6. Now answer will be 14. Reset the beats. Next sum is 5, then 3, then 6, -2. Now answer will be 12. Reset the beats. Next sum is 3, then 6, -4, then 6. Now answer will be 11. Now reset the beats. Last sum is 1, then 6, again 6, then 5. Now answer will be 18. Reset the beats. Thank you.